Right. Yeah, you'll have that. So basically what we're looking for is an 18 by 12. So the new snap-on air compressor was delivered yesterday. Thanks, Shane, for getting us set up with that. So we got it wired in this morning, had to go to town to get some wire and some plumbing and a regulator and a dryer. So got the snap-on compressor wired in this morning. We're also going to put together our Eastwood MP250i welder. It's been sitting off in the corner for a while, but it's going to give us a lot more capabilities with things like TIG welding and stuff like that. So we're going to get that assembled. However, a few of our subscribers asked about the oven cleaner and a better video and what we thought about it. So what we're going to do for you this afternoon is we're going to go ahead and get Clayton's Jeep in here. It's got thousands and thousands and thousands of miles and years of grease and grime in the engine bay. We're going to oven clean that, let it sit, wash it out, and let you see how it looks. Let's get started on this weld. So we've got the Eastwood 250 assembled just about as far as we can get it assembled today. Our bottle's a little bit too big, so we're gonna have to wait a couple days and get some 125s coming. But for now, easy clean, easy off, oven cleaner. We're testing it out. You asked for it, better video. Here it is. Well, between the two cans of oven cleaner that we had, it really only turned out to be one can. They were both kind of half empty. But as you can see peering into here, you can see exactly where we got the oven cleaner and where we didn't. Proof is right there in the pudding. It works. It's fantastic. We're going to keep using it. Just got our steering box frame brackets kit fresh off the plasma table from our buddy David over at DF Metalworks. We just got them cleaned up, got the draws off of there. We're gonna get this thing down and start fitting. So, as you can see, we've got our sleeves fully welded in place. The outer doubler is tacked in and it fits really good. The lower doubler is tacked in. What we're waiting for now is to make some adjustments to the inner box section. It was a little short, so we're gonna make some adjustments and get that back in. We'll get that tacked in place and get the top then tacked in place. Make sure everything aligns right, refit the gearbox one more time, and then once that's done, we'll go ahead and burn her out.